everyone, Tracy here with Paper Closet Designs, and today's video I want to show you how to do these square envelope boxes. So this is my Valentine one, and it has the belly band with the scalloped heart on it. If you remove the belly band, it holds a chocolate candy bar just perfect, but it also, you could put some money in here or some other type of candy that you wanted to, a gift card, a small thin gift. There's just a lot of things that you can do with it. And you just fold it up and you can slide the belly band right back on. And it makes a great little gift for friends, neighbors, teachers, co-workers, kids, anybody you can think of. So this is our Valentine one. And then today I'm going to show you how to do the happy birthday box. And I do have some others in the works, but I wanted to get these out today. I'm going to pull this candy bar out so I can show you how it fits in there. So this is what you've got. You'll have your, for the happy birthday one, you'll have your layered happy birthday, and it comes in 2 layers. You can cut them out of any color that you want. It also includes your belly band with the score lines. It includes 2 decorative panels. These could be cut from your printed paper or anything that you wanted. And then your box base is right here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and score on all these lines. So I'm going to fold everything away from me or towards the desk. Score down. And this one I am using with the perforation marks. If you bought this from my Scrap Chick or my Etsy shop, Paper Closet Designs, it'll also come with score marks. If you bought it from Silhouette, it just has the perforation marks, which I prefer anyway. Okay, so once you've got all of your little boxes scored, we're going to go ahead and decorate it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my decorative tab. The one with the rounded corners goes on the top. I'm just going to put some adhesive right on there. And then it should have a little bit of shadow all the way around it. So I'm just going to lay it on there. Smooth it down, and then we're going to do the same thing with this next decorative piece, and it's the rectangle, and it goes on the bottom. And like I said, I am just using solid cardstock, but you could do this with printed paper or anything else that you had in mind, that you had on hand with you. Okay, so that's all there is to it. This piece right here is the back of the box, and I left it blank so that you can like write a sentiment or hand stamp it. You could also cut some more printed paper if you wanted to decorate that. Okay, while this is still face side up, we're going to put glue on those 2 tabs right there, or tape. I'm using my ATG gun. Okay, then we're just going to fold that over, wrap it around, and then adhere that tab to the back of the box. And press it. You can stick your little finger in there if you need to. Oops, I'm stuck to my table. To make just a nice crisp box. There you go. And then you just fold it over, and that's all there is to the box. So then you're going to go ahead and fill it with whatever you want. I'm going to put this candy bar back in, and then we'll do the belly band. So the belly band also has 4 score marks. We're just going to fold those down like that. And then I'm going to take my glue, and I'm actually going to glue these on here. Now I'm going to show you this happy birthday one. It has a lot of little pieces cut out on the inside, and that is so that the color of the belly band shows through. If you don't like that, you can erase those. And if you're using Silhouette Studio, you would just click on it, release compound path, and then delete any of those little circle or inside pieces that you don't want. If you're using the Cricut Design Space, you would select this piece and hit contour and select any of the pieces that you don't want. And that way, if you don't want all those open pieces, you can get rid of them. But for those who want them to show through, they're there. So pretty easy concept. Okay, I've got some glue on the back there. And I'm just gonna glue it down here. Again, a little bit of shadow showing through. And you'll notice that you have those little tiny pieces. Okay, we're gonna do the same thing with our happy birthday. And this should all cut out as one piece, so you're not fiddling with a whole bunch of little tiny letters. You don't have to put glue on everything, but you want to put it on those main top and side pieces for sure. You could also cut this from vinyl if you wanted to. I've done that and it works really well. We're just going to line this up again so that there's a little bit of a shadow behind that. Okay, and that is all there is to it. Then we're going to take our belly band, or our box and our belly band. So this first score line is going to line up right along there on the bottom. We're just going to flip it over. And then we're going to go ahead and put a little bit of glue right there on that bottom. Not across the whole thing, but just right there on the bottom. Flip it up. And depending on what size of candy bar you have in there, your score lines may not match up just exactly, but they're going to be close enough. Okay, and then there is your little box that, again, you can fill with just about anything you want. Belly band slides out. And there is your box. I hope you've enjoyed this project. Thank you for joining me today. Please hit subscribe down below so that you don't miss any of my videos. And have a great day.